Y'all see how easy that was? You saw it. Yeah, I put you on. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lala, and if you're a returner, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do my everyday back to school makeup routine. Did I wear this every day? Just about. Yeah, just about. I don't know why, but in college I like looking cute going to class, you know, especially if it was Friday and Wednesday. So, you know, this is my quick little routine. It's not a lot. It's not something that's too much, and it's really quick. I'm always late everywhere, so I need something like really quick. This takes me a good 10-15 minutes. So if you want to see what I do, keep on watching. So first thing that I do, you have to moisturize your face. For moisturizer, I use the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. I'm just gonna put that onto my face. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about going back to in-person school. I feel like I done got used to being online, but we gonna see how this gonna work out, okay? Because I don't know. Next, I take my eyebrow pencil. Today we're gonna be using the NYX micro brow pencil in the color black, and I take this and I just fill in my eyebrows. A pro tip: you really only need to fill in the spaces where you don't have hair. For me, that's a lot of space, but that's all you really need. Let me zoom in, just zoomed in enough. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. But yeah, I just don't know how I feel about it. I guess I'm excited, I guess. You know, it's just, I don't know. I got used to being in my bed. I actually started to like being in my bed and going to class, you know. Was it good on productivity? Maybe not. But did I like it? Yeah. But now I'm gonna have to actually get my butt up and actually like go to class physically. I feel like this takes forever because I just don't have no eyebrows. And I'm gonna finish doing the other one off camera. All right, so now that I have those filled in, I'm going to take my Java Place concealer and I'm going to shape up and conceal my eyebrows. And this concealer is in the colors 9 and 5. Okay, so now that that's decent, I'm gonna take my small buffing blush. That's embarrassing. My small buffing brush, and I'm going to buff all of this out. Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my under eyes. For that concealer, I'm still gonna be using the Java Place concealer in the colors 9 and 5. Or is that a 6? No, that's a 9. 9 and 5. And what I like to do is I take the lighter concealer, put it in the corners, and I take the concealer that's way closer to my actual shade and I put it on the outer edges. I think that's a good word for it, yeah. As you can see, this concealer is very basically my foundation shade. And I like to do this because we're not doing foundation, I don't want it to be too light under the eye to where it doesn't look like natural. So I'm gonna mix these two on my chin and on my forehead. I'm gonna go in with the light first, and then I'm gonna go back over the light with the dark. But I'm only doing that on my chin and my forehead. Now I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and I'm going to blend everything out. And while I'm blending, I think it's good to note that I am blending upward. Okay, once I think everything is blended out nice and even, I go back in with my Real Techniques buffing brush and I take my Morphe setting spray and I just spray that a little bit. And I buff everything out just so it could be more of a flawless transition type of thing. Everything, when I say everything needs to be buffed out. Okay, now that we're done buffing everything out, I'm going to contour my nose and my cheek. In order to do that, what I feel like works really quick and it works pretty well is the Black Radiance pressed powder, and I use the color Ebony to contour my nose and my cheeks. Now we're just gonna do that. And I'll brush that in. Okay, I'll put a little bit on my forehead. And now that I have that down, I'm going to go back over my nose. I'm gonna go back over my nose with the concealer. And I'm gonna be mixing the shade that's close to my skin tone with the lighter color. And that is how I go back over my nose. Now I'm gonna take my small buffing brush. Why do I always do that? I'm gonna take my small buffing brush and I'm gonna blend. Now that I'm done with my contour, I am going to go back in with my Makeup Revolution setting powder. And I'm going to set everywhere that I put concealer, and I'm going to set under my contour. And you only need a thin layer of setting powder, so I would either blow it off or pat it off on the back of your hand. Bring that down just a little bit. And the other cheek, that wasn't as defined. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Now that we're all set, I only leave it on for just like a few minutes and then I just dust it all off. Okay, so after I dust all of that off, I'm gonna go in with my blush. I'm going to be using the Black Radiant Artisan Color Baked Blush in the color Warm Berry. I'm gonna take my blush brush and tap that into my cheek. And a trick is to smile and then tap it where you're smiling. So, and then you blend that upward. Okay, so after you're done blending that, I'm gonna take my highlight by Wet n Wild. What color is this? The Mega Glow highlight. I have no clue what color this is, but I know it's the darkest color highlight. Very golden. I love this color. I'm gonna put that on the tip of my nose. And then I'm gonna make a little exclamation point. Like that. Now also take this and I put it under my eyebrow. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna blend this onto my nose. Also gonna take the highlight and put it on my cheek. A little does go a long way. It's more of a natural look, so we ain't trying to blind them. Okay, next I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and I'm going to set everything. I just love setting spray. It's so fun. Okay, and I'm gonna let that dry down. Next I'm going to take my mascara. And we're gonna put the only place mascara go on your eyelash. Now that I forgot the word. So now that that is done, I'm gonna take my lash glue and I'm just gonna apply it to my eyelashes like it's eyeliner. One down, let me do the other one. Now that I applied that, I'm gonna take my 25mm lashes that I got from the beauty supply store and I'm gonna put that onto my eye. And really, it's so easy when you put the lash glue on your eye like eyeliner, because all you really need to do is just pop it on like this. Y'all see how easy that was? Everybody say I can't put on lashes, I can't put on lashes. Did y'all see how easy that was? You saw it. You saw it. Yeah, I put you on. I put you on. Yeah. But for real, let me know if somebody use it, you know. Now that my lashes are on, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild pencil. It is in the color Simmer Brown now. Once I line my lips, I tap that out just a little bit. And then I take my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Madeline. And I put on that lip gloss. I love this color. Okay, now I go over that with some regular clear lip gloss that I also got from the beauty supply. So as you can see, I'll be in there like, and I kind of just put that in the middle and then tap that out. And a tip for if you get too much lip gloss on your lip, take a paper towel. I just took a little piece and tap. Now I'm going to add a little bit of highlight. I think this is called a Cupid's bow. I think I'm going to add some highlight right there. Oh, that is so cute. And what am I missing? Oh, I also add some highlight in the middle of my eye. Well, in the corner of my eye. Not too much, but enough to where you could kind of see it. And really, we're basically done. Hold on, let me go fix my hair. All right, y'all. So this is the finished look. Yeah, if I was going to class, 9 times out of 10, this is how I was looking. Cute. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any video you would want to see me do next. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and press the bell so you're notified every single time, and yes, I mean every single time I post a new video. I will catch y'all in the next video. Until next time, keep it cute.